Hello, my name is Jerry Rhodes. I'm a manufacturing rep out of Michigan. We're in District DH02, which is the eastern half of Michigan. I've been with Sumitomo 3.5 years. My background is engineering. I've been in industrial sales since 1997. Now, my success story today is going to be talking about Sumitomo's shipping department and how they went out of their way to help a customer. And also it kind of ties into how you should treat a customer like a buying customer every time, because you never know when that one customer that you don't think is going to buy actually does buy. In this case, I was working with an engineering house in Detroit, and Detroit has multiple engineering houses all over that just do specifications. They never purchase product. I visited with them, got an opportunity to quote an automotive project. After a couple weeks, we got an inspect out. They included us on the design. The design ended up being 75 gear motors. We had with Cyclo 6090 and 6105s. They submitted the design. Everything was good. They submitted it to the end user. Once they had a design, the end user came back and asked them if they would be interested in acting as the OEM for the project instead of just the engineering house. They accepted it. They got with me, asked me if we would sell to them direct. So, knowing we'd never had before, I went in, got paperwork, got them all set up. Everything was good. Well, then after we got them all set up, they told me they were shipping to Mexico. So we had to go through and do all the export compliance, all the screening of the end users. Well, doing all this put us way behind schedule. So what we had to do, we had to start expediting a lot of the parts, which they were okay with that. They understood that it was their choice to buy direct from us. They knew they didn't have accounts. They knew it was going to take a while. So everything was good. Well, we built everything shipped. We shipped it to Mexico. There the product sat in customs. Well, come to find out, this is their first product they've ever did. Shipping to Mexico, they've never done that before, so all the paperwork was wrong. So they come back to us, asked us if we could go through and change some of the paperwork, which we couldn't. They tried to get with their mother company, because they're part of a larger entity, and tried to change some of the paperwork over to ship to them because they have actual locations in Mexico, and customs wouldn't do that. So there they sat. They were very frustrated. They were just spinning around circles. So I got back involved. I got with our shipping department, asked them to contact them directly to see what we could do. Unfortunately, after we got all said and done, we had to ship the product, or they had to ship the product back to us, back to Sumitomo. We had to redo all the paperwork, and then we had to reship the product again. When we did it the second time, with us being involved, our shipping department being involved, customer received the product. They were able to install it. They were a little bit past their schedule, and they had to pay a little extra fees, but they were appreciative that our shipping department got involved and walked them through the process. They did appreciate that, because if we didn't, the product would probably still be sitting in Mexico. So like I say, kudos to our shipping department. And that's a testament to treating every customer like they're a buying customer, because someday they just may buy.